Pick 195 from Second Age Reason. Good afternoon, one and all. Today's topic is strings. I am from the Etruscan tribe, not a Native American, but a Native European tribe of northern Italy. The Romans didn't like us, so they assimilated us, and many of my ancestors are in Rome, and some stayed behind the tribal areas of Sport Major. But they had people called augurs who would tell things when they needed to be told at certain times, and out of context they mean nothing, but in context it's useful information. So I'm going to talk a little about strings. It may even be a little poetic, but for now let's get on with the verse, the quatrain. The eagle flies from sea to shining sea, blind and without soul. It needs a string to find its goal. Its goal is death, to steal the breath. But what is a string? A link? A chain? A train of thought in an evil brain? Strings are solid or braided fine. Strings are feelings or in your mind. Pull the string and change the course, or cut the string to tell the source. This soulless eagle will crash, and you will be free. Until later, be seeing you. Good evening from the Second Age of Reason. Today's topic is strings. I am from the Etruscan tribe. It's not an American native tribe, it's a European native tribe of northern Italy. Romans didn't like us much, so they assimilated us, and some of us are in Rome, some of us are still in the tribal areas north around Sport Major. But anyway, we had people who could see things a different way, and they would talk in a different way of talking. And that is how they got important messages across to the people who needed them at a certain time. So my message today is about strings. And if you'll bear with me, let's talk about strings. Strings that tie a soulless bird hunts the prey from prayers to Molech. Silent death from heaven reigns, unless you clip the wings not moving. Beyond the arrow, beyond the rock, cut its string with a silent light, its soulless mind dazed in a blur, until the kiss of earth dismembers. Simple and to the point. Be seeing you.